Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer avocado fries. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. These air fryer avocado fries are so delicious. We bread them with pork rinds and then we put them in the air fryer. They get so crispy, but they're super flavorful. So I've got an avocado here, and you want to make sure and pick one that's not too soft. You want it to be a little on the firm side. It'll make it easier to cut, and since we're cooking it in the air fryer, that's going to soften it up even more. So we're going to cut it down the center, and we're going to remove the pit of this side. Even dig a knife in there and get that out of there. So now we're going to actually, instead of slicing it in the skin, we're going to peel the skin off of the outside. This just makes it so much easier and gives you neater slices, just like that. Okay, now we're going to cut these into about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick pieces. So I'm just going to cut it in half, and then each half I'm going to cut into 3 slices. Okay, we've got our avocado ready. I'm going to set that aside, and we're going to make the breading. This is crushed pork rinds. We've got a cup here. I've got 1 avocado. This is enough mixture for about 2 avocados. So if you just want to make 1 avocado, you could cut all of these ingredients in half and just do 1 batch. That's what I'm going to do today. So I've got 1 cup of crushed pork rinds. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. That's stirred up. I've got egg, 2 beaten eggs. So what we're going to do, I'm going to start preheating my air fryer to 400. What we're going to do is we're going to put each slice of avocado in the egg and then in the pork rind mixture. And then I'm just going to put it back on the cutting board. So, easy peasy. So I'm trying to have like 1 egg hand and 1 pork rind hand, so I don't get too like clumpy. My fingers don't get too clumpy, but they probably still will. Okay, we've got our air fryer preheated. I'm going to put these all inside, right on the grate. This whole avocado should fit in this 6-quart air fryer perfectly. If yours is smaller, it may not fit. All right, so we got those all in there. Now we're going to put this back in the air fryer. We're going to let it continue to cook. It's going to cook at 400 for 10 minutes. Our air fryer avocado fries are out of the air fryer. Look at how good they look. They are super crispy. So let's try a bite. Those are so good. They're so flavorful. They don't need a dip or anything, but you could use a dip if you want to. Those are so good. These are perfect for the holidays or just a quick snack whenever you are wanting to. I would share it, of course, but just a nice quick snack or even a lunch. You could even put these on a salad, dip them in some ranch or some chipotle ranch would be really good. You're going to love this recipe. Be sure you check out this other recipe. It's a dip for it's my $1 million cream cheese dip. It's loaded with bacon and cheese, and it is so good. You're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.